Hello everyone. In this video I'll be demoing the use of LLMs to generate Chrome plugins, and specifically in this particular demo I want to show how LLMs are able to create games. So I was working with this Cursor IDE, and I used the Claude 3.5 Sonnet LLM for this. So I just started off with this chat that you can see, and I asked it to create a Chrome extension or plugin, and the goal is that we want to create a Tetris game that pops up on a website, and instead of using the usual Tetris blocks, we want to display a bunch of text characters in it, and the text characters that we want to use should be from that particular website. So I thought it would be pretty cool to combine some text retrieval from a website and use that in a familiar game, like the game of Tetris. So just full disclosure that I have no idea how to create Chrome extensions, and this is the first time that I am doing it. But the LLM had no problems doing that, and as you can see, it has all the files generated on the left side pane, left panel. Yeah. So the first version that it created had a few problems. There were some alignment issues, and it was just creating a single shape. So that's kind of expected because I hadn't given it full specifications in the first question. So I asked it to do some modifications. So I asked it to make a few changes to fix the alignment issues, and I asked it to have a more diverse set of shapes, and it was able to do all that. And eventually I also asked it to add a few more colors. So you can see all these files created here. The popup.html file, I think it's about it creates the pop-up where the game would be displayed. Then there's a word extractor.javascript file over here, which I believe will extract words from the page. And finally there's this Tetris game that was generated. So let's do a quick demo of the game. So we'll go to another window. This is the Chrome extensions page, and I'll add the code that was generated and see how the plugin works. So you can see the word Tetris plugin is displayed on this. Then next, let's open a generic page which would contain some text, right? So this is like a Wikipedia page of the most generic topic possible, that is philosophy. Now let's try to play the game. Yeah, so you see it created a block out of a word. I also asked it to truncate the words if needed, just for better aesthetics. Yeah, some of the words can be a bit funny. Yeah, so you can see it's pretty good uh, aesthetic overall, and let's see if we can get a score at least. Yeah, we were able to get a score. See, so the bottom block disappeared, right? So I hope you had fun looking at this demo, and more importantly, I hope you try out these tools and try to create some fun tools of your own. Thank you for watching.